I felt like the engaging with the instructors and peers in real time had really deepened my understanding of from basic to complexities of design concepts and especially the immediate feedback which I was provided on my work. So I'm currently in my second year and I'm pursuing economics honors degree from Bangalore. Besides design, I enjoy exploring like video essays and how we might apply them to the real world scenarios. It started off when I wanted to research about something and I found something called video essays, and these are basically essays but in a video and an animated form. Wall Street Journal has a whole series of these videos like the economics behind Trader Joe's or Target and all of those. So it creates more interest in terms of like seeing and understanding things than just reading like a blank page of letters. The most important factor for me in terms of getting into graphic design were my parents. Since they are soft home designers themselves, they played a significant role in nurturing my appreciation for aesthetics and functionality. In terms of pursuing the course at And Academy, it was because of the curriculum which I found. I found that it blends a lot of practical skills with creative exploration, and it has a very flexible online format which allowed me to balance my studies in economics as well as this graphic design simultaneously. Firstly, I'd say it was the interactive classes. I felt like the engaging with the instructors and peers in real time had really deepened my understanding of from basic to complexities of design concepts and especially the immediate feedback which I was provided on my work. I felt like collaborating with peers really helped because there were points where during these design processes you were just stuck on one element, you couldn't think about the next element. But when we started working with peers and started doing these group activities, it made us realize a lot of different things of how I could personally move on with something and what I could probably include. Like, it's just not we did the activity and stopped. We also, there was this one group activity where we rated each other's work and helped understand like what we could do better. So it was really insightful to know about that. Also, in between all these classes, like even if the peers didn't speak, the mentors made sure we had like team projects of just 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour so that we can engage with the peers as well as work with them together, see their perspectives and objectives. My second aspect of learning would be the project work, since it helped me to apply all the theoretical knowledge that I learned to my practical scenarios. I feel like it'll also help, like it doesn't only improve my technical skills, but it also helps in my final portfolio or in my confidence of design and how I can actually tackle real world scenarios. Finally, I'd say it was the experience with the mentors, since their guidance and insights have been invaluable. They have a lot of industry knowledge, and it's not very complex industry knowledge. It is something we can all relate to on a small scale and something we see all around us. Like in my current project work, we were speaking about things like Spotify or Apple or Pepsi, and these are things we see on a daily basis. So it helps in a more strategic thinking. My current career aspirations would be combining my knowledge of economics, which I'm learning in my university, with the graphic design to work in a role that bridges both these fields. Like, I'd be particularly exploring in terms of branding and marketing, and where I could strategically use these design skills to compile like visual narratives with these economic strategies. I feel like if you're starting a similar journey to mine, my advice would be to embrace this multidisciplinary approach that I'm doing and just not be scared to change fields, because there was a point of time in my life where I was just like, oh, I need to do just economics, I can't explore any other thing. But I felt like diversifying into graphic design and learning more about it really helped me to understand and open up to unique opportunities and perspectives than just sticking to one. I feel like you should also be curious and proactive in terms of learning experiences. You shouldn't hesitate to engage with your peers and mentors, because their feedback is something which can be incredibly valuable, and it could provide a whole different perspective to things which we might have not thought of.